Hi, I'm Liane, and along with my husband Nick, we run Surf School Wales. We are a community interest company exclusively based here on Aberafan Beach, and we have been running for 11 years with the help of a grant from Sport Wales and the Newydd Talbot PAS team. So we do surfing lessons for the local community and for visitors to Aberafan Beach. We have a very popular kids club that runs from May to September. We run weekend lessons, surf lessons for people of all ages, and also lots of people who are visiting Newydd Talbot tend to come for lessons. We also cater for larger groups, and we have done lessons for our local schools, and also we're really proud to work with a few charities to support them in their wellbeing objectives. So we are proud to be based here on the beautiful Aberafan Beach, and you will find us right in the middle of the beach, smack bang in the centre of the beach. And one of the benefits of us here in Aberafan is we're just off the motorway, just off the M4, very local for car parks and the local train station as well, so it's very easy for people to get to us. What I like most about the dramatic heart of Wales is it's so dramatic. We are so exceptionally lucky to live within Newydd Talbot and have the contrast of the beach, the contrast of the mountains, all within a short distance of travel. We've also got the history and the dramatic steelworks as you enter the beach. Here at Surf School Wales, we are a community interest company, so naturally community means a lot to us. Not just benefiting the people within our local community, but for those who are visiting our community to feel the sense of community that we offer. And we want them to make the most of their stay here in Newydd Talbot. And if they're here visiting us for surfing, we like to encourage them to visit other attractions like Gyda'r in Margam Park, or to maybe try some stand-up paddleboarding with Margam Park Adventure. Why wouldn't you visit the dramatic heart of Wales? We've got so much to offer, and we can't wait to welcome you so you can see for yourself. You're invited to find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.